Hello everyone, welcome to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? Today is great. It's the beginning of the month is still new. The month is still new, so hope your April turns out amazing. Yeah, hope your April turns out amazing. Regardless of how it started, it's gonna turn out amazing. All right, so we're bringing you how we made one of our bespoke pieces, a vest, a guy vest. This one is, yeah, a guy vest, but a girl can also wear it, right? And then we're calling this the petticoat vest. The petticoat vest because it looks like it's a vest, but it looks like you're wearing a petticoat, a shirt in there. Yeah, this is supposed to be like the suit. This is your petticoat, and then this is your shirt. So a black shirt, yeah, a cream colored petticoat one over the black shirt. Look at that, the petticoat has this has this V point with its buttons right here. And then this is the suit. This is the suit, so-called, yeah, the suit part of it. So that comes in gray. So I'm going to quickly walk this, but before I do that, are you new here? Do go subscribe to our channel. We bring you brand new videos on a weekly basis. We inspire you on the different possibilities of crochet. We also show you how we made one of our bespoke pieces, and then we also demystify what one celebrity or another wore to whatever, right, as far as it is crochet. So we call that a demystifying crochet series. Okay, do subscribe. Now we have our galleries all up on Instagram. Yeah, we have our galleries for wedding day apparel. Those you find at Makisode Weddings. And then we have the galleries for corporates, casuals, accessories, and the likes. Those you find up at Makisode Models. Do well to follow, do well to like, do well to leave a nice comment and share our content. So yeah, back here quickly, I've put this together. Okay, so for this individual, right, what we needed was a whole entire 24 inches, which is from the shoulder to the pant line. That's the measurement for this in particular individual. Now for this design, you have to know how many rows consisted in that 24 inches, right? You have to know how many rows is consisted in that 24 inches. Now remember that you have to leave at least an inch or two for your base. So if you take that out, let's say we took out 1 inch as a base, we have 23 inches left. So with this 23 inches, you still have to know how many rows altogether this takes. So let's say all of this altogether took us about 66 rows. Yeah, 66 rows right there. So we know that to achieve this, now watch this, to achieve this, see this base, this is how the base started. The base started right here. Okay, the base started right here. For this first row, we had to work 4 different yarn, or 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So you had to follow that 7 different yarn. The gray, work the gray, get to drop it where the black is, pick up the cream color, continue like that. We had to design this particular part you have to do yourself. If you feel you cannot, do reach out via the comments, and then I'll do something for you to show you how you can do this. But yes, because the design takes up all the way from the shoulder to the base, you're going to have to know how many rows that entire design is going to take. So of course, you also have to make sure that you have determined your mid part, or where you want the buttoning, so to speak, to be. All right, so increase the gray increases as the others reduce. See, this cream color had to keep reducing while the gray was increasing, and then up to this point, and then the gray had to reduce back. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a little walking on how, when we got to this part, what we did, and then I'll come back and continue. Okay, so once that was done, yeah, what I didn't mention was that we also worked this in two different panels. The front panel on its own, the back panel on its own. You can see that the back panel is plain, is a variegated yarn that's got black and gray in it. This is the back panel. Now this is plain. You can choose to put whatever designs you want on there, but we wanted this to be plain, right? And so the front is where all the drama is. So after we worked all of that, of course, when you work your two panels, the front and the back, all the way to the armpit area, you have to join them. And then now continue working the front panel separately to create this neckline region, and then work the back panel also up and join them at the shoulders. Join at the shoulders, edge the armholes, edge the base, and then work your collar. Now we work the collar in this same, the yarn we used for the back panel, so that it will have an even look when you're looking at the individual from the back. However, up front here, it is still as beautiful as ever. So that's about it. That's really it. Then we now added these beautiful buttons we made from crochet. One row of single crochet, a row of single crochet stitches, yeah, about 8 single crochet stitches into a magic circle should achieve you this. We worked the entire outfit in houndstooth stitch. We use the front post, back post stitch method to edge it at the base and the armhole areas, and then we use the single crochet stitch for the collar, which we labeled. All right, that's it right there. So is there any part of this video that's quite unclear? Do let us know in the comment section, and we'll bring you something a little bit more explicit. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember to follow us on Instagram, like our posts, leave a nice comment, and share our content. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.